Edward versus the Mannequin. "A double jump, and there I win," said Edward to the Mannequin. "I won at chess and marbles too, and jumping rope looked hard for you. You couldn't get your kite to fly, you couldn't skip, but did you try? And can you say you gave your all without one shot in basketball? I raced you to the tree and back. That time I was defeated. But isn't there a tiny chance that possibly you cheated? I would have won at Battleship, but you were too afraid. So then I won at Go Fish twice, and 3 times at Old Maid. I won at almost everything, but still, I'm quite impressed. No matter how I try and try, you win the stare contest."